Hey everybody, I'm just sitting back here in one of these chairs. It finally got a little bit of shade back here and there's a little breeze going. I was thinking about doing a live tonight, but Joy's not feeling up to it. It's pretty stuffy in there. She has some breathing problems too when it gets like that, so I reckon we'll do that another night. We'll do a live another night. But I thought I'd let y'all listen to some of these birds back here. They're sounding pretty good right now. So check it out. Well, and let's see, immobilize the pan. Okay, sorry about that. There's a bird right on those rocks right there. I don't know how good y'all can see it. I don't know how to zoom in or anything. I don't even know if my phone will. All of those overgrown trees and stuff, they're our neighbors. You can tell where we've kept ours cut back down through there. They just let all that grow up. Once they get up into those power lines ahead, they'll up above, they'll come over. The city will come over and probably do something. They won't let it get up into those big old power lines. Well, now there's all kinds of other noises. Some birds back there on that gutter. I hope they're not making a nest in that gutter somehow. I've had trouble with starlings, I think it is. They'll get in there and they'll clog it up. I had a couple of them get in there when the old gutters were on here, and they had put stuff in there up to about 6 foot in, shoved all kinds of twigs and junk, all kinds of stuff. I hope they're not in it. Well, all of a sudden we're getting all other sounds that aren't nature. Sounds like there's a fire truck or something. That's the biggest magnolia tree I think I've ever seen. There's little birds that fly. They look like some kind of sparrow or something. They fly all over back in there. You can see one or two right there. If you might not be able to see it, but they're up there. They get bugs. That breeze feels good. It's real peaceful back here. We love to sit back here, especially since we got these chairs. We weren't able to really before we got these. Someone always has to be using one of those blowers somewhere. It's hard to see the birds in that magnolia tree. You have to really look at it hard to see them. They're in there. There's one right here on the gutter. They like to land on this pole over here, this light. They like to land on top of that. I haven't seen any hummingbirds. We got a hummingbird feeder and the stuff and everything to put in it, but I've got some just plain water in it right now. I'm hoping that we'll see them. Hey, birdie. There you go. See how they land on that? Thinking that's a bluebird. Looks like a female though. The male has a bright blue. There'll probably be a male show up usually, and they sit up there and look for the bugs. You see, I went down there and got a bug, and then went straight back up and eating the bug right now. Now she'll eyeball another one, and she'll do the same thing here. And they like it. There's another one up here on those satellite dishes. They'll go back and forth between the satellite dish and this pole right here. She's looking. That's the male up there on the satellite dish. Here she goes. Got another one. She's eating it. She kind of put her head back, gobbling it down. He's got him one up there at the top of the hill. He'll probably fly back over there to the satellite dish, see? There he went. I hope y'all can see that. I don't know how to make it zoom in anymore. They're gonna hang out for a while till they get enough to eat, I reckon. I'm surprised the male hasn't flew down here and made her get off of the pole. They like this pole here the best. I've seen, it was raining out here one day and there was probably 5 huddled around the top of that pole. And obviously some of them were small, you know, they were babies, I guess, but they could fly. But the mama was on top and they were all hanging on around that light thing. I don't see the male right now. You gonna hang out with us? Say, they don't seem to be, you know, even afraid at all. I mean, of course, if I go towards it, there's a rabbit down there. If I go towards it, they will take off, but they don't seem concerned that I'm here at all. They never do. I hope you can see that rabbit. It's down there to the left of the magnolia tree in front of that pine tree, and the one that's grown into the pine tree. That's not ours. Oh, that's theirs too. I got something trying to grow into this bush over here though. We're gonna have to try to figure out, cut it out of there. So they'll take over and they'll ruin it. It's ruined that pine tree, if you can tell. See how brown it is at the top. This just took over. But yeah, we have a few rabbits, but we also have hawks. And them hawks, they will get a rabbit. And we have possums. They'll get them too. And we even had some, what was it? Foxes or something like that one year. We're hanging out. There she just got another one. And we don't know, we're liable to have anything up here. I think it was foxes. It was some kind of like a dog type. But they kind of were passing through, I think. And we've had raccoons. We got one got into our attic. Chewed right through some wood. Okay, I'm gonna change on. There's another one right down here on this rock. It just jumped down and got at something, a bug or something. It'll probably jump back up on the rock. Let's see. One night, I was out here throwing something away, and there was a huge owl sitting on that pole right over there. Huge. It didn't seem to worry about me a bit. I don't know where that one went over there. It was by the rock. Unless it's hanging out. There it is. It's just not poked its head up. I could fall asleep back here. The heat makes me sleepy when it's humid too and stuff. I was nodding off in there and I thought, well, I'm just going to go out there since we're not going to be able to do the live. I'm just going to go out there and sit for a while and relax. The breeze feels pretty good. Listen to these birds. Well, she's just going to hang out till she's full. Her little belly looks a little bigger than it was. There she goes again. Got another one, she's back. Want to fill your belly? Your rabbit's still down there. Yeah, they sleep in that magnolia too. You can listen to them when they start settling in for the night. There she goes. Now she's gonna fly up here on those satellite dishes. Well, I don't want to make this too long, y'all. I thought I'd make it about 15 minutes and just show you how peaceful it can be. I'm sorry about the unnaturally noises that was in the background, but it's not that way all the time. So I hope y'all liked it. Please press that like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and press that notification button so you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great evening, and I'll see you in the morning. Tomorrow is our anniversary, so I'll be on like a limited schedule. I don't know if I'll do anything more. So everybody have a great evening and God bless. Bye-bye.